Maha Vajiralongkorn, the king of Thailand. Since his father passed away on October 13, 2016, he has been acting in that position, with an astounding net worth of $43 billion. Maha Vajiralongkorn is also the richest monarch in the world, crossing the Brunei Sultan Hassan al Bolkiah, whose net worth estimated $28 billion. Maha Vajiralongkorn is a guy who has been married several times and has up till now lived in luxury with 4 different wives. He first got married in 1977 to Princess Somsawali Kitayakara, who was his cousin. The king then married with Thai actress Sujarani Vibhacharawongs after 16 years of marriage, but they were divorced 2 years later. Then he married Sri Rasmi Suwadi, his third wife, a few days before becoming king in 2019. He again married with Suthida Bhadrasudha Bimalalakshana, and she was named Queen Suthida following his coronation. The wedding's expenses were in the millions. The King of Thailand has amassed an incredible collection of aircraft, including 35 planes and helicopters that are only utilized by the Thai royal family. Along with 21 helicopters, 3 Sukhoi Superjet 100s, 4 Northrop F-5E fighter planes, 3 Airbus and 4 Boeing airlines, he also owns 3 Sukhoi Superjet 100s. Total fuel and maintenance expenses for this fleet are staggering at $70 million. It is not surprising that the monarch has a collection of stunning cars given that he comes from one of the richest families in the world. Let's talk some amazing cars. The Maybach 62 limousine. The company's most valued customers will experience unending relaxation in this luxurious limousine. The Maybach 62 has 4-zone temperature control and rear seats that recline. The car's designers placed a high value on privacy, which is why all of the windows are made of laminated glass that is tinted to deflect infrared light. In addition, the front portion of the back seats has a refrigerator compartment and foldable tables in the form of an aeroplane. The interior is covered in Napa leather that has 210 distinct hand-sewn parts and 102 handmade hardwood trim pieces. There were 2 million conceivable interior configurations, making the Maybach 62 potentially unique. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Mercedes-Benz S-Class will serve as the Thai royal family's upcoming state vehicle, W221. The Mercedes-Benz W221 generation of the S-Class flagship series is notable for bringing the most recent technology advancements from the German carmaker. The Rolls-Royce Corniche. The most apparent car in every royal family's fleet is probably a Rolls-Royce. The Rolls-Royce that the Thai royal family owns is a traditional Corniche model. The members mostly utilize this car during royal ceremonies. The monarch's family's Corniche has been converted into a convertible. The top layer of the Silver Shadow subgenre is Corniche. The Corniche has a striking sleek appearance and an interior adorned with leather and wood. When retracted, the convertible top was completely automated and concealed under a flat tonneau-shaped panel placed to the back of the vehicle. The royal family also has pricey luxury cars from practically all of the world's top automakers. This includes Nissan, Porsche, Audi, BMW, Ferrari, Sienna, Camry, Corolla, Highlander, and Venza. Nearly all of the family's cars have several cars, plus additional pricey cars are utilized as escorts. Maha Vajiralongkorn, the reigning monarch, appears to have a special spot for autos, thus the family's garage may soon receive many more great additions. The majority of Vajiralongkorn's wealth is kept in the Crown Property Bureau, which is the legal owner of 7,280 hectares, 17,300 acres, of land in Thailand and has 43,000 rental agreements around the country, including 19,000 in the capital. In 2017, Vajiralongkorn announced the abolition of the Crown Property Bureau's tax-exempt status and put the bureau directly under his administration. Siam Paragon Shopping Center, Siam Discovery and Siam Center, all of which rest on Crown property land, drew in some 230,550 shoppers per day last year. The Crown does not running the malls but collects an amount of rent from them. The operator of the malls, Siam Pawat, which also constructed the $1.7 billion luxury mall, Icon Siam, on its own property.